Maangi, this process is constitutional and conforms with our parliamentary standing order. Article 124A of the Constitution provides that when the House of Parliament considers any appointment for which its approval is required under the Constitution or an Act of Parliament, the appointment shall be considered by a committee of the relevant House. The Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations is established pursuant to Article 1241 of the Constitution, Standing Order number 216. The National Assembly Standing Order 216 spells out the mandate of the Departmental Committee, which includes to vet and approve, vet and report all appointments where the Constitution or any law requires that the National Assembly approve. Further, the second schedule of the Standing Order allocates the committee, among others, to oversight foreign relations, diplomatic and consular services, and international relations. The purpose of this vetting, therefore, Hon Joash Maangi, is to ascertain its suitability as our next High Commissioner, Kenya to Uganda. But before I did that, we had requested the clearing agencies. And we had also put out if anyone had a memorandum for or against. We received a report from Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. And the issue that was raised by Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission was that was a recommendation to charge. This is what Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission did say about you. A recommendation to charge Joash Maangi and other persons was made in a matter relating to National Housing Project to the Director of Public Prosecution. However, the DPP returned the file to EACC for further investigations, which is ongoing. Honorable members, I would like to say this. This is a legal opinion. Article 157.6 of the Constitution provides that the Director of Public Prosecution may exercise state powers of prosecution and may institute criminal proceedings against any person. Further, Section 23 of the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution Act provides that it shall be the function of the Director to decide to prosecute or not to prosecute in relation to an offense and to institute conduct and control prosecutions for any offense. Therefore, it is a prerogative of the DPP to prosecute against any person, usually after investigations have been concluded. In Kenya, criminal proceedings are instituted by prosecution through charges against an accused person by dint of Article 157 of the Criminal Procedure Code, Cap 75. Article 50 of the Constitution provides that the accused person has the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. In this case, the nominee, in the legal opinion's view, are not accused persons, since no charges have been preferred against them by the DPP. Chapter 6 of the Constitution focuses on leadership and integrity, and Article 73, Sub-Article 2A, provides that the guiding principle of leadership and integrity includes selection on the basis of personal integrity. The integrity of the nominees at the time of this vetting process has not been challenged by any court of law. It is for that reason and because of precedents that I will then allow you to proceed. But later, when this team retreats to consider your suitability, this matter will come up to discussion, and it will be upon the members of this committee and subsequently Parliament to see if in that evaluation you are fit to hold this office. So I will allow you to proceed, Hon Joash Maangi, and in less than 15 minutes, give us the...
Is it proceed? On his CV, page 2 is missing. I think it has some crucial information.
Please provide page 2 as we continue, but I'm told it's a copy matter and someone is working on it. Just ignore it, Hon Joash Maangi, someone is working on it. It's actually